This silent night is wrapped in grace. Soft starlight fills this quiet place. By candle glow my heart bows low. In humble prayer my spirit knows the heavens opened, earth stood still. Your love came down, your perfect will. In a manger small and bare, you arrived with hope to share. No words could ever truly say the depth of love you gave that day. So with a thankful broken heart, I lift my soul just as you are. Thank you on this Christmas night for the love you brought to life. You came to heal a wounded world, to save each lost and searching soul. Thank you, Jesus, Lord of all, for the peace that gently falls on this holy, sacred night. My heart comes home to you. Soft jazz chords begin to play, like whispered prayers I try to say. In darkest hours you're my light. In weary hearts my hope, my sight. You ask no throne, no crown of gold, just hearts made new, not born nor sold. In Christmas silence, pure and still, I find your love eternal, real. Thank you on this Christmas night for a grace that never dies. You were born to set us free, to lead our souls into the light. Thank you, Jesus, Lord divine. I place my life in your design. On this holy, sacred night, I surrender all to you. Oh, if my tears fall quietly, you hold them tenderly. When my heart has lost its way, you call me home, you softly say, thank you on this Christmas night for the cross already in your sight. Your love is more than words can tell. It lives within my heart and dwells. Thank you, Jesus, now and then, forevermore. Amen, amen. On this holy, sacred night, I believe Christmas night.